Here's one finally done. 1986 Torker 2 280 Air. Twin top tube. A lot of cool parts on this puppy. Got some NOS Nippon brakes on there. Tioga Freestyle seat post. Dominator Pro seat. Green Pro neck chain ring. Got a GT disc on there. Original Torker 2 pads. Those are really hard to find. Oakley grips on there. Tech 7 brakes in green. And Tioga Air Step handlebars. Also pretty hard to find. There's a front Nippon to match. Spinner pegs. Tough mags. Ghost pads. You can see in there, it's the original green stem as well, came with the bike. ACS rotor. And, Tioga quick release clamp. Repop redline cranks. Graphite pedals. Pretty cool standers. This one's bad to the bone, baby. Peace.